And tomorrow, the organizers of New York City's Fashion Week will announce the collections heading down the runway at next month's show. But one company isn't waiting to show off its high-tech style. Michelle Miller shows us how 3D technology is printing out a whole new look.
I think this stuff is magic, honestly.
These intricately crafted cufflinks, belt buckles, and bracelets could be the next trend in men's fashion. The pieces are lightweight, the designs etched with laser-like precision. But design is just part of their appeal. The next trend is how they were created.
This bracelet I call Mad for Dots. I mean, you can't create these structures in traditional...
At all?
Well, you could, but it would be a real problem.
For designer Nick Graham, 3D printing is helping him launch a line for the digital world.
Well, it's digital traditional. You know, it's digitizing tradition.
Graham gained a reputation for offbeat marketing in the 90s as the creator of Joe Boxer, the ubiquitous line of men's underwear. He sold the company in 2001 after it nearly went bankrupt.
It's amazing the detail you can get.
He sees his next line, which is sold exclusively online, as the future of production.
You know, they're printing houses now, they're printing food. But in terms of a designer, there's just unending possibility.
Possibilities that started as prototypes here in this New York factory.
These are the first 5 on this side.
To help create these pieces, Graham partnered with Shapeways, a 3D printing company founded 6 years ago by Peter Weimerhausen.
Who is your core customer?
Anyone who wants to turn their creativity into real things.
Shapeways allows users to customize any of the 3 million products available in its online catalog. The company then prints and ships the completed item. 3D printing is expected to become an $8 billion industry by 2020 as companies find new ways to connect high-tech printers to consumers.
These printers 20, 30 years ago, they were in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. Today you can buy one for about $1,200. Aren't you afraid that your business in the next 10 years may be obsolete?
No, the core around our business model is that we actually give people access to these high-end machines so they can make things in ceramic or in silver and also in high-end plastics.
Shapeways has printed over 1 million products. Most of them are small, but a few have been high profile. The company printed a set of wings for the 2013 Victoria's Secret fashion show, a dress for performer Dita Von Teese, and last year, they partnered with Neiman Marcus to create a necklace and a sculpture.
Lots of people still think that 3D printing is fun for making little, small, toys. But if Neiman Marcus would offer 3D printed jewelry in their catalog, obviously the quality is now so good that it can compare to mass-produced goods.
For Graham, 3D printing just makes sense.
It's printed on demand and it's printed in the USA.
So that's more cost effective?
It's incredibly cost effective. There's no cost of inventory. You only make what you sell.
You don't see 3D printing as a gimmick, a fad?
No, God, my God. If you look at the growth numbers and the projections of what 3D printing is going to be in the future, it's astounding.
You're on the cutting edge.
Totally.
The printing edge.
The printing edge.
For CBS This Morning, Michelle Miller, New York.